I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Actions Salesflare. Give here the API key, so go to the Salesflare site. Click on the plus button and give a meaningful name. Create. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your Salesflare site. And you can see that the data came successfully in Salesflare. Thanks for watching.